Dominic Gallello appointed chairman of the board at SINGU. Hey guys, remember to head below to like, comment and subscribe for all the latest on our videos. Dominic Gallello has been named chairman of the board for SINGU, a cloud-based software firm specialising in facility maintenance, ESG and building management. As a CEO, Gallello successfully scaled his last three companies from a $300 million valuation to a collective $1.3 billion in exit value, earning him recognition as a top 50 SaaS CEO. His product portfolios have generated billions in revenue and earned over 50 awards, including the prestigious R&D 100 Awards, the Oscars of Innovation. He brings extensive experience from leadership roles at major industry players such as Autodesk, Hexagon, and Graphisoft, where he focused on global expansion and enterprise adoption. In his new position, Gallello will collaborate with the executive team to steer SINGU's governance, international expansion, and long-term strategic direction. Pavel Malon, Group CEO, said, "Dominic's appointment marks an important milestone for SINGU. As we accelerate our international expansion, Dominic's perspective across the full life cycle of the built environment, from design and construction through long-term operations, will be invaluable." Mr. Gallello commented, "SINGU is addressing a critical gap between construction delivery and long-term facilities operations. I look forward to supporting the team as they scale the platform and help modernize how the built environment is managed." For more information, read the full article in our People category. Read more at TWinFM.com.